Welcome back to Learn English for Life. Mom, Dad, can we talk for a moment?
Sure. You look serious. What's on your mind?
It's summer break, and I really think we need a vacation. We've been busy all year. I want us to go somewhere fun and relaxing.
Oh, that actually sounds wonderful. I really feel like we need a break.
Interesting idea. Where do you suggest we go?
Anywhere. I just want a place where we can laugh, relax, and create memories. We really deserve it.
Yeah, I agree. So, what should it be? Mountains or beach?
Of course it's the beach. We are definitely beachside people. I can already feel the warm sand and the cool ocean breeze.
Yes, beach, please, please.
All right then. Hawaii for 10 days.
Oh, wow, Hawaii? That sounds amazing. Best parents ever.
Okay, we need a place to stay. What do you think? Beachfront hotel, villa, or resort?
Definitely beachfront. I want to wake up and see the sea right outside the window.
Yeah, and I want to hear the waves at night.
All right, beachfront villa it is. Let's call a hotel and see what's available.
Good evening. Thank you for calling Ocean Pearl Beach Resort. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to inquire about beachfront villas in Hawaii. We're planning a 10-day family vacation.
Wonderful choice. We do have beachfront villas available. They are spacious, beautifully furnished, and just steps away from the ocean.
That sounds perfect. What about the price?
For 10 days, the total cost will be $4,500. This includes breakfast, pool access, private beach entry, and complimentary airport pickup.
That seems reasonable. How many beds are available?
There is one double bed and one single bed, suitable for a couple and one child. The rooms are elegant, cozy, and well-maintained.
Great. That fits us perfectly. Let's confirm the booking.
Excellent. I'll reserve it right away. May I have your full name and email address?
Yeah, sure. David Parker, and my email is davidparker@mail.com.
Thank you. Your booking is confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you. Have a delightful day.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
So, how did it go?
Booked. Beachfront Villa, Hawaii, 10 days.
Oh, yes. This is going to be the best vacation ever.
Hey, you seem really cheerful today. What's going on?
Oh yeah, I finally planned a family vacation. We're going to Hawaii for 10 days. Beachfront villa, ocean view, everything.
Wow, that sounds incredible. You totally deserve a break.
Thanks, but I need a small favor. I still have some pending reports and project follow-ups. Could you please handle them while I'm away?
That's quite a bit of responsibility.
Yeah, I know. I owe you one. When you take your vacation, I'll definitely cover for you. Promise.
All right, deal. But on one condition.
Okay, name it.
Bring me some cool Hawaiian souvenirs. Maybe chocolates. Something interesting.
Haha, done. I'll bring you something amazing. Thanks so much.
Go enjoy your vacation. Spend time with your family. I'll take care of things here.
Thank you again. I really appreciate it. Okay, team. We need to pack smartly. What should we take?
Definitely light clothes. Swimsuits, hats, sunscreen, sunglasses, and beach slippers.
Yeah, don't forget chargers, travel documents, and the camera. I want to capture everything.
Oh, I'll bring my snorkeling mask and a beach towel with palm trees on it.
And I'll pack a small first aid kit just in case.
So clothes?
Comfortable summer clothes. No heavy jackets this time.
Oh, wow, this already feels exciting.
Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video. To be continued.